and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn about the bishop. Let's get started. A bishop is placed in the first row or rank. A rank is this row. Why it's called the first row or rank, it's because there's a number right here which says 1. So this is the first rank, and there's a second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8. Yeah, so there are 8 ranks. So, bishops can only go diagonally. So, this bishop can only go this way, or this way. Not this way, not even this way, not even straight, only diagonally. A bishop is worth 3 points. So this bishop is worth 3 points. In chess, we have 2 bishops. Our opponent will have 2 bishops and we will have 2 bishops. So we have 2 bishops. So each bishop is worth 3 points. We have a light square bishop and a dark square bishop. A dark square bishop only goes diagonally in dark squares, like this. And a light square bishop only goes diagonally in light squares. These are all the facts about the bishop. Hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.